Season's greetings, Jamaica. My name is Lidden Lewis, Junior Shadow Spokesperson on Youth Development. All I want for Christmas is a Jamaica where youths are empowered through education, job creation, and mentorship. Education continues to be a means of upward social mobility, where youths will gain access to better jobs as well as a better quality of life. A People's National Party government is committed to the development of industries where youths will gain access to better job opportunities, which will in turn aid them in doing business and taking care of their families. And finally, in everything we do, we need a compass. We need a guide. The People's National Party government is committed to the development of a mentorship program where youths will be guided on the right path, a path to success, a path to a better Jamaica, a Jamaica land we love. Happy Christmas, Jamaica, and a powerful 2024. Time come.